Good morning.
Yes, Mister.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Let's start our session today.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi. It's talking about
Assalamu alaikum.
special products, the factoring of a special product, the factoring of a special product. Before we start, we get first a small revision for the previous lesson. I have now about 10 students. Okay, so we will make together a refreshment. Okay, pay attention with me. First, I need to factor m power 2 minus 13m plus 36. M power 2 minus 13m plus 36. I'm going to Shobrome. Okay, I need to factor it.
Make two brackets.
I'll make two brackets. So the first step, I get 2 brackets. Yes. Okay.
Yes, make two brackets and make two different signs, negative and
So I
positive.
write first here m and here m.
M.
Yes, two different sign. No, this sign is positive, so it means both signs are the same.
Yes, negative, negative.
Yes, because the middle sign is negative, so we have here negative and we have here negative. Okay.
Negative.
What about 36?
I put it right. Right.
What times what equal 36? Give me the factors of 36.
6 times 6 equals 36.
6.
1 times 36.
Okay.
2 times 18.
2 times 18. Okay.
3 times
12.
12. And
Yes.
4 times 4 times what?
9.
4 times 9.
9.
Yes.
Yes.
4 times 9. And
We don't have 5.
6 times 6. Yes.
Times 6.
Yes. What we will choose from this? I need the sum because this is plus, so I need the sum. The sum to be 13. If you add, you must get 13. 1 plus 36 equals 13.
No.
2 plus 18 equals 13.
No.
3 plus 12.
Plus 9.
No.
4 plus 9.
Yes.
So I just write here 4.
And then 9.
I write here 9, which is letter?
Which is letter B. No, A.
Letter A. So it's letter A. Our answer is letter A. Our answer is letter A. Okay. Thanks, Abdullah. We're going to okay, Bassami.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to the next example. I need to factor b power 8 minus 8 b power 4 minus 84.
Make two brackets.
I'll make 2 brackets first. Okay, this is the first bracket and this is the second bracket. After that,
Put b
power?
power 8.
No.
Power 4.
Yes, and here b power?
We multiply or
add. We add the power.
Yes.
If we multiply, we add the power. So b power 4 times b power 4 equal b power 8. Then this sign is what, Bassami?
Negative.
So the two signs are different or the same?
Different.
So it's different. So I just write here minus and here plus. After that,
We factor 84.
yes, 84, it's
1 times 84.
1 times 84, okay. But I need the difference. Why the difference? It means when we subtract, we get 8. When we subtract, when we make minus, we get 8. 1 times 84, if you subtract, we get 83. So it's too far. What about if we get 14 times 6? 14 times 6 equal 84. 14 times 6 equal 84. And if you subtract, so I choose one of the factors. I write the factors 1 times, 2 times, and what, and so on, till I reach 6 times 14. 6 times 14 equal 84. 6 times 14 equal 84. If you subtract 14 minus 6, it will be?
It will be 8.
It will be 8. So this is our answer, but just I need to put the negative sign with the big number. Why? Because the middle sign is what, Ahmed?
Negative.
So the big number is 14 or 6?
14.
So I just write here 14 with the negative sign and write here 6, which is letter what?
A.
Which is letter A. So the answer is letter A. Okay, we're going to another example. Sorry, we're going to another example.
Mister, can you return back so we can write the problem?
The problem? Okay,
Yes.
there is no problem. Okay, wait just a minute. Yes, this is a problem. And the answer is letter A. Okay, we're going to another example. We're going to another example.
Yes.
Okay. No, not this. Okay. Let's start to our session now with the new lesson, which is factorizing or factoring the special product or special product. Pay attention with me. Pay attention with me. In this lesson, we are talking about two ideas. In this lesson, we are talking about two ideas. The first idea is the difference of two squares, and the second idea is a perfect square. Again, the first idea is a difference of two squares, and the second is a perfect square. Perfect square. Okay, let's start to talk about the first one. Okay, which is difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, as you see, it's a difference between two numbers power 2. As you see here, A with power 2, B with power 2, and between them minus. Again, it's a difference of two squares. The word difference, it means minus. Minus of two numbers power 2. What shall I do to factorize it? We make two brackets. We make two brackets. One of them is positive and the other is negative. One of them is positive and the other is negative. And then I take the square root of the first and the square root of the second. I put the square root of the first here and the square root of the second here. Square root of the first, square root of the second. I finish the problem. It's very easy. Give me an example. Okay, pay attention. X power 2 minus 25. Ask yourself, x power 2 is squared? Yes, it's x power 2, x squared. The middle sign is minus? Yes. 25 is a perfect square number. It means has a square root? Yes, its square root is 5. So the square root is 5. So we have here a perfect square number, between them 9 minus. So I just make two brackets as you see. The first bracket with plus and the second bracket with minus. I take the square root of x power 2, so x and here x. Square root of 5, I write here 5 and here 5, and this is the answer. What about the third example? T power 2 minus 64. Ask yourself, two terms? Yes, two terms. The first is power 2? Yes. The second is power 2? Yes, because 64, it means 8 power 2. So I write two brackets, one of them with positive sign and the sign is of the second is negative. I write here T and here T, here 8 and here 8. The problem has been finished. Pay attention about the order. The order is not important. You can start T plus 8 and here T minus 8, or start by T minus 8 multiplied by T plus 8, because they are multiplied. Okay, let's start by an example to illustrate or to get this idea. Okay. Determine whether each polynomial is a difference of squares. Write yes or no. If so, factor it. So we need to say it's a difference of a square, yes or no. If it's yes, we need to factor it. Pay attention with me. I'll start with Ali Al-Harbi.
Yes.
Ali, first, I need to know if this polynomial is the difference of two squares or not. First, ask yourself, the first term here, or the first number, is squared?
Yes.
And the second is squared?
Yes.
It means it has a perfect square number? Yes. Between them, minus?
Yes.
So it's a difference between two squares, so we can say yes. We can say yes. So yes, it's a difference of two squares, because m power 2 and we have here 64, it means 8 power 2 between them minus. Can you factor it?
Put it in a bracket.
Two brackets, yes.
It's
The first
m
bracket,
mine
yes.
first
M,
bracket m minus 8,
and the second bracket.
m plus 8.
So two brackets, the same numbers but different in sign, m plus 8 and m minus 8, as Ali said. So our answer will be yes. Yes, they are difference of two squares, and the answer, or they can be factorized as m plus 8 and m minus 8. Thanks, Ali. We going to another example. We're going to another example. Okay, Abdelilah, but just I leave this example for only 20 seconds to write the example. Okay, let's go to the next example with Abdelilah. Okay, the next example is the same. I think we're going to the next example. Factor 16y power 2 minus 81z power 2. Okay, so Abdelilah. Okay, Abdelilah.
Yes.
Abdelilah, is this first difference of two squares?
No, it's power 2.
Yes, it's a power 2 here, and 16 can be a perfect square number. Between them minus, and 81 is a perfect square number. It means it has a square root, and z is also power 2. So if we have a problem like this, it's a difference of two squares. So we make two brackets. The two brackets are the same, but in different sign. This is minus and this is plus,
Yes.
for example. Okay. The square root of 16y power 2 is what?
8 power 8 and y.
Not 8. Not divide by 2. I need two numbers. If we multiply them, get 16. The two numbers are the same. What times what equals 16?
8 times 2.
No, the two numbers must be the same. They are different. 2 times 8, they are different.
The same.
Yes.
4 times.
Excellent. So I just write here 4y, okay, as you said, and in the other side 4y. Okay, after that, I'm going to the next. 81. What times
9
what?
times 9.
Excellent. And right here 9 what?
9 z.
Yes, 9z, and in the other side 9z. One of them is positive and the other is negative. This is our answer. Thanks, Abdel Ilah. We're going to the steps now. I can give you the steps. First, 16 is a perfect square number, and 81 is a perfect square number. He get here 4 and he get here 9, as Abdulillah said, and get the two brackets as we wrote them. He started by plus or minus. There is no problem. So our answer is yes. It's a difference of two squares. And the answer is 4y plus 9z, 4y minus 9z. Okay. I leave this example for 20 seconds to write it. Okay, let's complete by another example. Okay. Factor 9b power 4 minus 25. Okay, let's choose فضل.
Yes.
Okay, فضل. I need to factorize this.
Okay.
Is this a difference of two squares?
Factor differences.
Difference of two squares? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Yes. So because 9 has a square root, 25 has a square root, b power 4 has a square root, and this is a negative sign. So I just make two brackets. The two brackets will be the same but different sign. So I just write here, sorry, here I just write here minus and here plus, and start to get the square root. The square root of 9?
4.
No, it means 4 times 4 equal 9.
No.
What equal 9?
16.
What time is what equal 9? This is 9, Fadl.
Yeah.
What time is what equal 9?
3 times 3.
Yes, so 3. So I just write here 3 and here 3. Okay, and then after that b power 4. B power what times b power what equal b power 4? Fadl. Fadl. Okay. So I complete with Abdullah Al-Ghamdi. Abdullah,
Yes, mister.
I need to complete Abdullah. I write here 3
Okay.
and here 3. B power 4, just write here B power what and here B power what?
B power 4.
No, B power 4. It will be B power 2.
Okay, B power 2. B.
And here B power 2. Okay. And 25. What times what? Or the square root of 25.
5 times 5.
Excellent. So I just write here 5 and here 5. And this is the end of our problem. So it's yes. And this is the answer. We just complete the steps. I gave you the steps. As you see, b power 2, it's power 2 equal 9b power 4, and 25, its square root is 5. Between them minus, and this is the answer. I leave this answer for 20 seconds. Okay, let's complete. So we get here choose a problem. Choose a problem. I'm going to Hashim.
Yes, mister.
Hashim, I need to solve this. Please choose a correct answer.
To solve the question. Mister.
Well, yes, Hashim, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer, Hashim.
I think answer A.
Letter A, wrong.
D.
Letter what?
D.
E?
The last one.
Wrong. Huh. Letter C, Hashim. Pay attention. We said that if we have only two terms, it's difference between two squares if the first number is a squared and the second number is a squared, or the first number perfect square number and the second number is a perfect square number. So we make two brackets, Hashim. This is the first step. The first bracket is positive and the second bracket is negative, or the inverse. Negative or positive or negative. So that you must have two different signs. So we ignore letter A and they ignore letter D from the beginning because they have the same sign. And then B power 2, we write here B and we write here B, Hashim. And then
Yes.
we write here 3 and we write here 3. So it's letter what?
C.
It's letter C. So the answer is letter C. So pay attention about difference of two squares. Difference of two squares, the two brackets are different signs, have different signs. So the two brackets must have different signs. So the answer is letter C. The answer is letter C. You can write the answer quickly. Okay, let's go to another example. Okay, going to Muhammad Saad. I hope you participate, Muhammad Saad. Okay, I'm going to Muhammad متعب متعب متعب. I'm waiting for you متعب. محمد سعد. Okay. محمد الأسمري.
Yes.
Okay. Can you factorize this binomial? Muhammad.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I think we make
Two brackets. Difference between two
yes,
square root, because the sign here is negative. 25 has a square root, 36 has a square root, so it's difference between two squares. So just make the two brackets with me. These are the two brackets. The square root of 25.
5.
The square root of a power 2.
Square root of a 1.
A power 2 is a power 1. So we write here 5a, and I write here 5a. Okay, Muhammad. And one of them is positive, the other is negative. The
Negative.
square root of 36.
6.
The square root of b power 2.
1. B power 1.
B power 1. So 6b, and here 6b. So the result will be letter
Letter A.
letter A. This is the answer. Okay, you can write it quickly. Okay. We're going to the second idea for the lesson. Okay, so we can finish this and keep the second idea tomorrow, inshallah. Okay, who can help me in this example? Who can help me in this example? I'm talking with Ibrahim. Ibrahim Sahel.
Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, I need to factor this binomial. I'm needing to factor this binomial. First, Ibrahim.
Yes.
Before talking about factorization, if we have any common factor, we must take it out first. Here 5 and here 20. Both of them in table what? We have a common factor between
4.
no, 5.
5.
5. So we take 5 as a common factor first. So the first step, we get 5 as a common factor. What about x? Is x repeated for the two terms?
Yes.
Okay. The smallest power of x?
1.
1. So I just write x. So 5x is my common factor, and then I open a bracket. Inside this bracket, I get two terms by dividing 5x power 3 by 5x. 5 divided by 5 equal
1.
and x power 3 divided by x.
X power 2.
So it's 1x power 2. So I just write here 1x power 2 or x power 2 directly because the coefficient is 1. So x power 2. Okay. And then 20 or negative 20 divided by 5?
Negative 4.
And negative 4. Okay. X divided by x?
X.
X divided by x, any number divided by itself equal 1.
Yes.
So we don't write anything. 1 times 4 is 4. So this is the first step. So as Ibrahim said, pay attention, please. If we have here a common factor, we must get the common factor out. The common factor is 5 because both numbers are in table 5, and also x because x is repeated for here we have here x and here x power 3. After that, this is a first step. We're going to factor this bracket. We're going to factor this bracket. I complete with Marwan.
Yes,
Marwan?
mister.
Okay. What about the bracket? The bracket is a difference of two squares.
Yes, because 5x and x power 2, I think.
Yes. So we just we write 5x as it is at the beginning.
Yes.
So 5x and then two brackets. One of them is positive and the other
Yes.
is
Negative.
okay.
Then put
Square
x
root
and
of x power 2.
x in the first one and x in the second one.
Okay.
Mister, the answer is D.
The answer is D. Yes, of course. So 4 is distributed to be 2 times 2. So here, as you said, the answer is letter D. This is our answer. This is our answer. Please write. It's a very important example. Okay. And I'll take the attendance. And also we have a marks for participation. We have a marks for participation. Some students participate and the other don't participate. Okay, it's own decision. Okay, so I have here عبد العزيز الغامدي absent. عبد الإله yes. عبد الله الغامدي اوكي. عبد الله الشبرومي اوكي. عبد الرحمن فيحان. عبد الرحمن عبد الرحمن is not here today. أحمد البسامي yes. فضل yes. فهد is not here. If you hear your name, please. Fahd is not here. No, Fahd is not here. Okay, I'm sure about him. Mish'al, yes. Muhammad Farhan, yes. Muhammad Sultan is not here. Muhammad Talal is not here. Hamad Al Musa. Hamad Al Musa. Hamad Al Musa is not here today. Hamad Al Musa is not here today. Okay. Muhammad Al Eid, yes. Nawaf, no. Saleh, yes. I'm going to 9B. 9B, Abdurrahman Al-Aql is not here. Ali Al-Harbi, yes. Ali Rafi'. Ali Rafi'. I said to you, Ali, please enter by your name, not by iPhone or... Nawaf is here. Okay. Sorry, Nawaf. I'm just correct. Yes, your name. Okay. Ali Al-Harbi is not here. Ali Rafi'. Ali Al-Harbi is here. Fahd is not here. Hashim, yes. Hussam, yes. Ibrahim Al-Suhail. Khalid Faisal. Okay. Khalid Yusuf. Out. Marwan. Muhammad Saad. Mitaib. Thamir. Okay. Just I'm going to check. Ali Al-Harbi. Okay. سامر نواف. مهند العيد. محمد الأسمري. مشعل. متعب. مروان. Okay, Marwan. I just tried Marwan. Okay, this is all my students. Okay, thanks, my students. Now I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 and I have 19. Yes, of course. Thanks, my dear students. You must get your homework today. Today you have a homework on SBS. Please try to make it. Please try to make it. Okay. Fadil, okay, there is no problem. Fadil, yes, yes, I wrote you and Nawaf also. Fadil and Nawaf, there is no problem. Don't worry. Okay, no, don't worry about it. Don't worry about the attendance. Okay, Fadil and Nawaf. Okay, now I'm talking about the electronic homework. You will have an electronic homework today for this lesson. Try to finish it. Try to finish it. Okay. Thanks, and tomorrow, inshallah, I'll see you. Goodbye.